Hai teman sekalian, I kept my promise to make a tutorial how to make strawberry felt.
Lonely kisses passing by the river.
This is the strawberry felt that I mean. I put this on my kitchen set. The same as how to make orange felt, we first make a circular pattern like this using a small plate or bowl. Cut out the pattern. Sorry, the felt is a little wrinkled. It's because I kept it for too long. After that, fold it into 2 equal parts and cut it. We need only one piece to make one strawberry. Prepare the plate that have the same color with the felt, and also prepare the needle. Fold it in half again like this, then serve the edges. Just serve it normally. Be careful not to get hurt by kneading again. When done, flip the felt so that it forms like a cone. We will make black dots on the strawberry using thread, but actually, to make it easier for you, you can buy felt with a polka dot pattern like this. So you don't bother anymore to make black dots. After finish, we show the edges the same as when making orange farts in the previous video, just check it. Then fill it with dark brown. After that, add leaves and then arrange it in a basket. Alright, that's it, how to make strawberry farm. Thanks for watching.